£6,000, the same money as the Peugeot or a small-engine Mercedes, you can have this, a large-engined 328i. But that's not a good idea for 3 reasons. First, it's only a 2-door saloon rather than a proper coupe. Second, there's a new model coming out later this year. And third, it's a BMW. So no one will let you out of side turnings. It's a BMW.
too. Same dash, same seats that give me backache, same space, same meagre amount of standard equipment. However, what is not the same is what happens should you inadvertently twitch your big toe. This, you see, is the new 328i, the car that has taken up the old 325's baton and is running with it. Only running is the wrong word. This car is on a ceaseless quest to headbutt the horizon. It does 0 to 60 in 6.1 seconds, and that's spectacularly fast for a four-door saloon. It can also nudge 150 miles an hour. But that's not really the point. Where this car really shines is in its ability to just surge past slower moving traffic. And all the time, you know, the brakes, the suspension and the steering are tuned to perfection. As a driver's car, this is absolutely fabulous. And it gets better. Ordinarily, when I'm talking to the camera in a car like this, we have to find a very smooth piece of road or it bounces around all over the place. However, right now, I'm driving down a farm track. So, the 328i goes and handles like a Ferrari, but rides like a Jaguar.